Ball coming just as one against Ma Long. But the only time that he did beat Ma Long, Open, last time 2014 Asian Cup. And Ma Long won both of those. So Ma Long is the perfect example of why physical fitness, speed, agility is so important out here. For example, that ball right there into the body, you're a little bit slaxing on the body. But once again, Chien in better form. Thinks there's a little bit more on that push than there is. Excellent effort. Ma Long stays in there to hook it around. Surprise serve, fast kicking into the backhand. I was just thinking about how Chien serves a little bit shorter. Ma Long has had no trouble receiving until this serve. It's an odd situation there. Spinny back. Perfect placement on the push, deep to the corner, just a little bit high, and Ma Long again. Powerful Luke comes back quickly, deep to the backhand, and Chien doesn't. But the backhand off the bounce, a strong, confident counter from Chien. Deceptive push. That's the placement, just a little bit shorter, and it doesn't come off long enough to tempt Ma Long. Again, soft touch right at the back of the table, and it looked like Ma Long would have eaten that one for breakfast. Inside out forehand for a winner, 10-9, game points. Ambitious attempt. Under 11-9 in the first over Chien. Well placed right on the middle, gets the racket head. Stephen Fagel has not beaten Ma Long on the World Tour. 1-0 for Ma Long. Quality blocking from Ma Long. Bit of kick. Little break off the net for Ma Long to get his sixth. So much work, and finally hits a ball that Ma Long can't reach. Grunting for every one of those shots. So much work to win the point. Not an easy ball to finish on either. The inside-out spin sure helped. Short side of the table, but it's blocked and bending away. Blocked. Short side of the table, smart play. Once again, it's easy to get down on yourself. Almost bringing it back, not able to turn the wrist in enough to get it. And a similarly placed handcuff in game two. Ma Long's really had a lot of trouble on that back. And even there, it's an opportunity for Chien, but he coached Chien to serve here. Now, after the first game, Ma Long was told to make sure that the loops are right on the middle, completely. See this one more time. Forcing the hesitation on the crossover point. Well-placed ball deep on the table. So after game 2, Ma Long was told by Lu Guoliang, when Chien loops to your forehand, mix it up with blocks and counter loops. Outstanding effort from Ma Long, running all around the court, putting it up on the forehand right there. Just like Lu Guoliang told him to do. Just amazing how Ma Long can be his arm out and make a quality block like that. But it's a low spinning loop from Chien. Short side of the table, Ma Long going all in for power. Looking at Ma Long in slow motion replay, it's clear how fit he is. Oh, flip, and he goes for it, but nobody left back at the table. Up in the air, no time to recover, tries, just can't reach it. Very difficult shot, almost nails it though. That's as close as you can get to the net. Quick turn, Chien making a big. Inside out wide, he's done it many weapons out here. Step around, but once again, out to the shot several times, but a lot of top and a bit of side on it as well for extra. Oh, waits, he predicts it and moves out to the forehand side. Very beautiful shot right back into the body. Another key ingredient for Chen. Heavy spin, took a lot of energy, and Chien on before this. Ball comes up just a little bit higher. Oh, going down to the ground, both knees for the backhand. Look at this one more time. Wide block, sends him running. Plays it strong to the middle. So much whip on this backhand, just misses the contact. Flip kill from the middle of the table. Solid touch, and it's the heavy push deep into the body. Crucial at this level of play. Outstanding touch. And the forehand flip kill this time to Chien. Well anticipated for Ma Long. Not able to stay on top, catches the edge of the kick on this ball. Some side and top there. Just thinking back to when Chien. Oh, outstanding recovery. This time he gets it. Racket on it. Beautiful point right off the bounce again. Both wings, comfortable loops for Chien to be able to counter these and take this point. 4 big shots. Look how quick that backhand is. Missed contact on the forehand side. We're going to be coming up after this. Chien. mixing it up with the short ball, countering off the bounce. It's a solid start. That ball's not coming down. Just missing the back edge of the table. Created the banana flip during his timeout. He was told to use the forehand more after the banana flip whenever he can. This one's not coming back. He's gone for it. Everything. There it is, forehand, 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 right after the banana flip receive. Long push, but a strong receive. We'll see. Chen ons. Soft touch, and he's got a game point. Serve drifts just a little bit too long. Rush shot on. Short side of the table makes it, staying alive, second deuce. No, just too strong. Gets the opening forehand in after the backhand. And Lou Golion calls the timeout here. Forehand and then counter move it. Let's see what happens. And there it is, out to the forehand. The counter loop doesn't have to come into play, but Ma Long